Welcome back, Freedom Savers. This is the No Rules portfolio where I can and do pretty much anything I want with stocks. I can gamble with them or I can invest, and I do both. Anyways, this week's been odd. I don't know why people are buying a company that's filed for bankruptcy. I thought I was the only idiot doing that. Of course, I'm not the only idiot. So there's lots more idiots out there doing it too. Anyways, as you can see, I am currently up quite a bit on PG&E. I'll show you in the spreadsheet more accurate numbers here. But this week I did deposit 50 bucks, or was it 25? I think 50 bucks, and I bought more General Electric with that. I did not buy more PG&E because the price went up and I needed to get General Electric closer to where I was on PG&E. So anyways, the current account value is $630.43 with $0 in cash. We will hop over here. We have deposited $500 even at this point. Therefore, we are up $130.43 or 26.09%. This is currently my winning portfolio over my random portfolio, but the random one is quickly catching up again. So yeah, random stocks for the win. Anyways, we have been paid and earned 0 dividends. We have not sold anything else. And as you can see, the only thing I bought this week was $50 of General Electric, which gave me an extra 4.76644 shares at $10.49 each, because it also went up. So yeah, there's been no dividend changes because we aren't really getting crap for dividends at this portfolio. Graphs, nothing changed. All right, yearly. So yearly wise, I have 11.2 shares of SOI. I have 16.94 shares of GE now and 13.76 shares of PG&E. There's been one investing day. I invested 50 bucks, which increased our yearly income by 12 cents or 0.24%. And actually that is incorrect because I did not fill this out properly when I updated that. So we'll do that right now real quick since it's a small portfolio and easy to do. Sorry about that. By 19 cents. So anyways, we increased our yearly income by 19 cents from dividends, or giving us a yield on cost of 0.38%. Our overall return on this portfolio so far is 1.48% in dividends, creating $7.39 a year or 62 cents per month. But anyways, that's the PG&E and GE story currently, guys, and my SOI spot, which it continues to go up too. I mean, I'm up 11.78% on that position. You know, green's good, I guess, but I much prefer red. I want my stocks to go down, not up, because then I can buy them at a cheaper price. I think for the next year or two, I'm going to much prefer red days over green. I don't know. I know it sounds funny, but man, I just wish there was a big stock market crash. Not as big as 2008, 2009. I mean, I'm not talking 80% down, but I'm talking 40%, 50% down. If it could just be a big crash, down 40 or 50%, man, I'd be happy to get my money that I have sitting in my 401k into the stock market. Oh man. Anyways, sorry for rambling on there. That is our No Rules portfolio update. It is kicking ass. Not as well as the random one, really, because I kind of cheated on this one with PG&E and the big boost it got. But the random stock portfolio is actually catching up to this. And as you know, we're doing absolutely nothing with the random stock portfolio. We aren't depositing, we aren't selling, we're not buying, we're not doing anything in that thing. We put $1,000 and just let it sit. So yeah, I'm really impressed with that portfolio. Anyway, sorry guys, have a good one. All right guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.